Good day, everyone. My name is Kimjit Liorin, and today I will answer the question: if I would meet any historical figure, who would it be and why? If I could meet any historical figure, I would choose Dr. Jose Rizal. He is the national hero of the Philippines who inspired many Filipinos through his writings, courage, and love for our country. I choose Dr. Rizal because he showed that knowledge and peaceful action can create positive and change. He taught for freedom using his intelligence instead of values and his life. If I have the chance to meet him, I would ask this question. First, what inspired you to continue fighting for the Philippines despite the dangers you face? Second, if you were alive today, what advice would you give to, to Filipino students? Third, what changes would you like to see in the Philippines today? I believe his answer would teach us valuable lessons about courage, possibility, and love for country. In conclusion, Jose Rizal continues to influence society because his ideas about education, freedom, and nationalism remain important today. His life reminds us that every Filipinos can make a difference of good character, hard work, and love for our nation. Thank you for listening.